Is Deebo making a mistake for requesting a trade, Stephen A?
Oh, hell no. He's doing the right thing in requesting a trade, because what he's saying, and this is what I appreciate about him, Doggy, in this regard. He's a multi-purpose player. He can be a wide receiver. He can play outside the numbers. He could be a slot receiver playing in between the numbers. He can come out of the backfield and run the football for you as well. Hell, if you needed him to play tight end on a few snaps, he could do that for you too. That level of versatility, because of the combination of his speed, his strength, his route running ability, his hands, all of those things taken into consideration makes him incredibly valuable. Here's the problem. You know, do you remember a name, I believe, was it DeMarco Murray for the Cowboys? Remember that name, Dougie? Remember that name?
Yeah, good running back. Yep.
If you remember, one time the Dallas Cowboys ran him like, what was it, 322 times or something like that in the season, right? Wore him out and then didn't give him any money. See, Deebo and the rest of the NFL knows this as players. And so if you're going to be utilized and valued to such a degree, you know, on the field of play, then off the field of play, in that negotiating room, they need to pay you. He knows that Kyle Shanahan, you got a guy like Trey Lance that's young. You've got, porn star Jimmy. That's what I call him, Mr. Porn Star Jimmy, because we know about him in Malibu, all right? But Jimmy Garoppolo, you know that you need somebody like Deebo and obviously a George Kittle to offset the mistake that youth and Trey Lance would make, or an experienced guy that's prone to mistakes from time to time and Jimmy Garoppolo can make. So you're going to utilize Deebo Samuel. That's not going to work for him. It's going to work against him. It's going to work for the 49ers, but not for him. So I applaud his position in making sure he wants out now, because what he wants to do is either go to a team that's going to pay him or to a team that's going to utilize him less so he's not worn out and prevented from getting his money down the line. And that's what his thinking is, and I applaud that. I don't disagree with him one bit.
Yeah, I do. And be careful with these receivers. You're going to hear Davante Adams moan and groan about where's Aaron Rodgers. He wanted out of Green Bay to play with Carr. Carr is not in the same league as Aaron Rodgers.
No, he's not.
You're going to hear Tyreek Hill moan and groan about Tua when Tua can't throw the ball past 8 feet. And he's going to get annoyed that he can't get the ball. Where's Mahomes? So they got the money, but then they go to a new team and they play 20 weeks and they realize, you know what, I'm not scoring touchdowns. I'm not having any fun because they're not playing with the same kind of quality.
But that's not the same situation with Deebo.
Well, I think it is, because he's in a great system. He's got Kittle. He's got a great offensive coach. They utilize their personnel properly. What, he's going to go to the Jets, and all of a sudden the Jets are going to become this great team? We know that we know that Wilson's going to be some great quarterback. The Jets, who can't get out of their own way year after year after year, so he thinks the grass is greener on the other side by going to the New York Jets. Really? I don't buy that. He's not going to get paid anyway, Steve. He goes to the Jets now. They don't have any money. The free agent period is over. He's not going to get his contract extension. He'll get it after this year, but he's not going to get it now anyway. And he's going to get it in San Francisco if he plays well. They'll give it to him eventually.
No, he's not.
He's going to get paid, Stephen. He's got another year at $4 million. He's going to get his money. Why push now? I don't understand.
Listen. Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming, sports, and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.